CSL is recommended for people who have a few coatings under their belt. This 3 to 5 year product delivers phenomenal results with a relatively easy application. It is available in 2 sizes, 30 ml for most cars and 50 ml for most larger vehicles and trucks. Pro tip: both sizes come with different size pipettes for installation. If you plan on ordering just the pipettes, please let your reseller know what size is needed. CSL comes with everything needed in the box, including gloves and the AP2 applicator. A master instruction sheet is included, as well as a decal to let everyone know you have selected Gtechniq to protect your investment. Spray Gtechniq panel wipe onto a Gtechniq MF1 0R microfiber buff cloth. With your panel fully cooled after polishing, taking care to avoid any paint protection film or other types of vinyl film, buff away all polish residues. Soak the application pad with 2 full measures from the pipette and work the liquid into the pad to get an even saturation. Apply with the applicator provided in overlapping strokes to an area roughly 2 foot by 2 foot, or work to the body lines of the vehicle. Remove residue with MF1 0R microfiber buff cloth. Always remove from further than you have applied, working from the outside in. It is essential to check for residue. When working with coatings, we recommend you inspect the panels with a bright but diffuse light source, not with bright spot lights, which are very poor for spotting coating residue.